All right, I have confirmed there are 3 signed and 3 unsigned verdicts. I will read as to each count. We, the jury, find the defendant, Jesse R. Kershevsky, guilty of first-degree intentional homicide as charged in count 1 of the information. Signed by the foreperson, juror number 24, and dated today's date, the 14th of November, 2023. We, the jury, find the defendant, Jesse R. Kershevsky, guilty of theft of movable property as charged in count 2 of the information. Signed and dated by the foreperson, juror number 24, this 14th day of November, 2023. As to the special verdict questions, if you find the defendant guilty, answer the following question. Was the property stolen more than $100,000? Answer, no. Was the property stolen more than $10,000? Answer, yes. No other amounts were answered. We, the jury, find the defendant, Jesse R. Kershevsky, guilty of theft of movable property as charged in count 3 of the information. Signed by the foreperson, dated today's date, the 14th day of November, 2023. Was the property stolen more than $100,000? Answered, no. Was the property stolen more than $10,000? Answer, yes. No other special verdict questions answered. Is there any request regarding polling the jury from the state?
Thank you.
From the defense?
Yes.
All right, then I know we have our alternates, so these will not apply to you. I will go through just by number, and I will ask each juror in turn, when you hear your number, just to stand. I will ask you the verdicts that were read in court. Were they and are they your true verdicts? Starting with juror number 4. The verdicts read in court, were they and are they your true verdicts?
Yes. There.
Thank you. Juror number 5. Were these and are these your true verdicts?
Yes.
Thank you. Juror number 8. Were these and are these your true verdicts?
Yes.
Thank you. Juror number 12. Were these and are these your true verdicts? You. Juror number 16. Were these and are these your true verdicts?
Yes.
Thank you. Juror number 20. Were these and are these your true verdicts?
Yes.
Thank you. Juror number 23. Were these and are these your true verdicts?
Yes.
Thank you. Juror number 24. Were these and are these your true verdicts?
Yes.
Thank you. Juror number 27. There you are. Were these and are these your true verdicts?
Yes, ma'am.
Juror number 29. Were these and are these your true verdicts?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Juror number 30. Were these and are these your true verdicts?
Yes.
Thank you. And juror number 32. Were these and are these your true verdicts?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right. Is the defense satisfied with the poll?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, your services in this case is now completed. You do not have to answer questions about the case from anyone other than the court. There is no requirement that you maintain secrecy concerning what happened in the jury room, but you do not have to discuss the case with anyone or answer any questions about it. On behalf of myself, my colleagues, on behalf of the state and the defense, we thank you for the time and attention that you gave during this trial and for reaching your verdicts. You are now excused. I will be back there shortly just to meet with you briefly. All rise for the jury, please. Here's the instruction, the sign, and I was going to wait for the door closed. We're good? No. Okay, there you go. All right, any requests at this time from the state?
The state would request entry of judgment on the verdicts.
Anything from the defense?
We'll reserve any argument for later.
All right, thank you. Court will enter judgments of convictions as to all 3 counts. I will revoke bond at this time, given the convictions, and then we'll look at our calendars to schedule sentencing. Any request for a pre-sentence investigation?
No, not from the state.
You'll be able to provide me with all of her correctional experience that normally would be in there?
Yes.
All right, how about from the state, from the defense?
No, we don't care for one. No, thank you.
All right, thank you then. Any specific requests as it relates to timing for sentencing and when the state and the defense can be available and ready? Attorney Kukler, I know we were chatting off the record about your upcoming trials calendar and some personal things. I certainly can get this in before yet in November.
The first week of December, if we have that available.
The first full week or the first? I know I have the first in the afternoon available.
At the 5th, the 6th. You're saying December 1st?
I would have the 7th. I have one final pretrial at 2. I can either move that or we can schedule it to start at 2:30.
On the 7th?
Yes, if that works for the state.
It works for me. Let's see how it works for others.
December 7th works for the state in Victor.
What time will that be at? The 7th?
So I'm going to direct Madam Clerk to reschedule that 2 o'clock hearing that I have, and we'll start at 1:30, so I have the full afternoon, okay? If there are any requests of family members of either side who would like to appear and make a statement by Zoom, I certainly would allow that, or anyone else that you think is appropriate. I would just ask that you make that request no later than Friday, December 1st, so that I can approve of that. Otherwise, I presume that it will be live streamed by one of our media outlets and covered that way. All right. Thank you, everyone. We are in recess.